Good morning. Today we discuss the permutation and combination. First is the permutation. It is the arrangement of given object. The arrange it is the arrangement of given object. That is permutation is what? Arrangement of given object. Then the arrangement may be in a line or row. There are types of permutation. First is the permutation of n dissimilar objects when repetition is not allowed. Definition: the number of ways in which n dissimilar or different objects taken are at a time arranged in an order is called as permutation of n dissimilar objects. Permutation is denoted by PNR or NPR or PNR. Then PNR, we can write PNR is equal to n into n minus 1 so on up to n minus r plus 1. In next step, n minus r factorial multiply numerator and denominator, then n into n minus 1 so on up to n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial upon n minus r factorial, then n into n minus 1 so on up to n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial is nothing but the n factorial. Then p and r can be written as n factorial upon n minus r factorial. This is used to solve the problem. Note that p and n, that means r is equal to what? N. Then put the value in this, then n factorial as it is, and n minus r means n minus n factorial, which is equal to n factorial as it is. N minus n is 0 factorial, then 0 factorial is what? 1, which is equal to n factorial. Note 2, p of n0 is equal to 1 and p of n1 is equal to n. Next, example: how many different words can be formed using each letter exactly once of the word mobile? The given word mobile contains 6 letters which are distinct. So solution: the given word contains 6 letters which are distinct. So here we have to make order arrangement of letters to form a new word. So we use permutation. If each letter is used exactly once, the number of words that can form by using permutation of 6 letters taken 6, that is r is equal to what? 6 and n is equal to what? 6. So n is equal to 6 and r is equal to 6. The formula for permutation is p n r, which is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial, which is equal, so n is equal to 6 and r is equal to also 6. So 6 factorial upon 6 minus 6 factorial, which is equal to 6 factorial upon 6 minus 6 is 0 factorial. 6 factorial, 0 factorial is what? 1. So which is equal to 6 factorial. After solving this we get 720 ways. Next type is permutation of n dissimilar objects when repetition is allowed. In last type we see permutation objects when repetition is not allowed, and in this object when repetition is allowed. Then definition: permutation of n objects taken r at a time with repetition is n raised to r. That means the n is r times multiplication. multiplication of n is r times. So n into n into n up to so on n r times, which is equal to n raised to r. So example is, how many three-letter words with or without meaning can be formed from the letters of the word smart when repetition of the letters is allowed? Solution: the word smart has 5 letters. The word smart has 5 letter has 5 letter, and these 5 letters we have to arrange at 3 places with repetition. So this 5 letters word we can arrange 3 places with repetition. That means these 3 places and the word has letter 5, so we can place this with repetition. So total numbers of words is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to 125. Now third type of permutation is permutation of object not all distinct. In last two types, all the objects considered in the problem were distinct. In this type we will study the permutation of objects where some or all objects are distinct, means some or all objects are distinct. For example, the word Google. In this letter, this letter is 6 letter words, and G and O are repeated 2 times, and L and E are repeated only once. Then suppose we have n objects, out of which R1 are of one kind, R2 of second kind, and so on up to Rk are of kth kind, where R1 plus R2 plus R up to so on plus Rk is equal to n. Then permutation can be written as P of n, R1 R2 up to so on Rk is equal to n factorial divided by R1 factorial into R2 factorial into Rk factorial up to Rk factorial. For example is, how many arrangements can be made using all letters of the word statistics? Here objects are repeated. In the word statistics, number of letters is 10. Solution: number of letters is equal to n is equal to 10, and s occur 3 times. Then R1 is equal to 3. T occurs 3 times. So R2 is equal to 3. I occur 2 times. So R3 is equal to 2. A and C occur only 1. That means single time. So R4 is equal to 1 and R5 is equal to 1. Then total number of arrangements. Total number of arrangements, that is P of n R1 R2 up to Rk is equal to n factorial upon r1 factorial r2 factorial into up to rk factorial, which is equal to n factorial means 10 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. After solving this, which is equal to 50400 50400. The next is the combination. In combination, order of an object is not important, but only selection of an object is important. Means in combination, order is not important, but only selection of an object is important. It is denoted by NCR or CNR or NR. NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. This combination we can write this combination in terms of permutation. We know that PNR which is equal to n factorial upon n minus r factorial. So in this n factorial upon n minus r factorial is nothing but PNR. So it is written as NCR is equal to PNR upon r factorial. Particularly, NCN is equal to NC0, which is equal to 1, NC1, which is equal to NCN minus 1, which is equal to n. Now example is, in how many ways can a teacher choose 5 students from 12 students for competition? In this example, n is equal to what? 12, and r is equal to 5, and order is not important. Then total number of ways to choose 5 students from 12 students, which is equal to 12 means n, c, r means 5, which is equal to n factorial upon, formula is NCR, n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial, which is equal to n means what? 5. N means is the 12 factorial upon 5 factorial into 12 minus 5 factorial, which is equal to 12 factorial upon 5 factorial into 7 factorial. After solving this, we get 792. Thank you.